you guys, it's Wavy Spice here, and I'm coming to you guys with a video that I'm super excited about. As always, we're going to be doing a review and demo on magnetic lashes, and it's going to be by the brand GLAMNETIC, which is a super dope brand. They actually sent me over a couple of really pretty lashes. I got 2 pairs of lashes and also 2 pressed on nails. So here's what the set looks like that I have on right now. So I'm going to show you guys like some tips and tricks on how to do your press on nails and also the lashes. Before we jump too deep in the video, I definitely want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and become a Spice Girl. Join the Spice Gang. We have a whole lot of fun over here. I create content on beauty, fashion, and New York lifestyle. So if that's something that interests you, definitely stick around. I create content for people that don't necessarily fit into your beauty mold. So you might be a plus size woman, you might be a woman of color, you might be specifically a dark skinned woman of color. You don't necessarily fit into the beauty standard, but I'm gonna show you how to work it, because you know I work it, I make it look good, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys subscribe to that and that's something that you feel like you're interested in, then definitely stick around. I also do have other social media, so I'll have my TikTok and my Instagram linked below so that you can follow me on there. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. So I was sent 2 pairs of lashes. The one that I have on right now is in the style Hustler, and here is what they look like. Super pretty. And then I also got the style Scandal, and I've actually worn these lashes, this specific pair, I probably worn it like 3 or 4 times already. And one thing that I really like about these is that, I don't know, if you're used to wearing lashes and you're used to like using lash adhesive, I typically put the adhesive on my lash line and it leaves behind like a bunch of gunk and stuff once you take the lashes off. That's one thing that I love about these. They don't leave behind gunk and they're just super easy. They attach really easily. I've worn them through the night. They've stayed on like sleeping over at people's houses. They're just honestly a really good quality, and when you take them off, you don't have to worry about like peeling off all the adhesive, so it honestly makes the lashes last a lot longer. I see myself having these for at least a month or 2, and that's if you're not one of those people that don't want to stretch, because you know a bitch like me, I'll stretch things out for even longer than that. But yeah, they're really nice lashes. I really enjoy them. I'm super impressed. I did not think that I was gonna like a magnetic lash just because it seemed like it was just like doing too much, but it actually works really well. And also another good thing about the lash adhesive or liner that comes with it is that you can use it with regular lashes too and it still sticks. I don't know how it works, but it works. I don't question things, I just do it. So yeah, I really enjoy them. And a little bit about the nails. The nails are really high quality as well. Like they stay on longer than your average like kiss press ons. I typically wear press on nails, and these actually lasted me a full 2 weeks, as opposed to most last me about a week, a couple days over a week, and then they start popping off. But these did last me a good 2 weeks. So I'll show you guys like a little picture of what the other style looked like that I had on, like a before and after. Okay, so we went from crusty to real crude, girl. So this is the wild card set. It was like almond shaped nude with really cute graphic designs, and I really love this set. In the demonstration portion of the video, I will show you like tips and tricks on how I do my nails and how I do my lashes. But overall, I really like the brand. Definitely will be purchasing from them. And if you guys want to try them out, you can definitely use my code WAVY10 and get 10% off of your purchase. Oh, another thing about their website is they make it super easy for you to pick the lash that you want, like based off your eye style. It's a very like interactive website. If you're new to lashes, I definitely recommend this because it just helps you out with like based off your eye style, your eye shape, what's the best lashes for you if you're new to the game. So definitely check out the GLAMNETIC's website. It's super gorgeous. They have so many pretty styles. You don't have to do anything like as dramatic as what I have. They have like simple styles, and they also have a nice variety of nails as well that are super like glam and trendy. So I really like the purchase. I really hope you guys decide to check it out for yourselves, and I will go ahead and just show you guys the demonstration on how I put everything on. We're giving a look right now, and I'm gonna go in with the GLAMNETIC Lash in Hustler, and I've already worn these a couple times, so they're already out. The case is really cute, and they're magnetic lashes. So the first thing that you have to do is use this liner, magnetic felt tip liner, and you just shake it. I got it in the shade Deep Space, and I'm gonna do me a cute little wing liner. And this, another good thing about this is that it actually works for regular lashes as well. Not just the magnetic ones. So, and you want to let this get tacky just like the regular lash glue. I'm gonna go and try to do my other lash as well. Fuck, I done fucked up a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna go back in and fix that really quickly, the color that I have on my lid, and just touch that up. Boom. Fix that quickly. All right, and now I'm gonna pop the lash on, and it just goes on really easily. And it comes with like little anchor pieces on the inside, but I don't like those because I don't have the biggest eye. But yeah, it's on. And we're gonna do the other side. And you just go middle first. And then I do the outside. And then I go on the inside, and it's good to go. We're on, and these literally stay on all night. I've like slept in them, they stayed on. And I gotta say, my favorite part is that you don't get all that gunky adhesive stuff. So this is what we look like so far. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back to you guys and do the nails. Okay, so now I've done one set of nails. I didn't feel like, ooh, I didn't got something on my damn eye. Okay, I think I got it off for the most part. So I've done one set of nails. So I'm gonna just give you guys just a couple of little tips on how I do the nails. So the nail pack comes with the alcohol pad. You want to make sure you get any type of oil or grease off your hands before you apply the nails. It also comes with a file, so you want to make sure you buff every one of your nails just to kind of rough them up and give it a little bit more of something to stick on to. Also comes with like a cuticle pusher. You can push your cuticles back, of course, to make room for the nails. And then it comes with your nail glue. So another tip is you want to make sure you find all of the nails that are going to fit your fingers prior to starting this process, just to make it easier for you, so you're not like searching as you go. So yeah, I already got my nails laid out. So I just go ahead and put the nail glue. You want to put the nail glue on your actual nail, as well as on the fake nail after you roughed your nail up. And then I like to focus it at the bottom of the nail and just press it on. And then I just like to wipe any excess, ooh, fingers sticking together. I just like to wipe any excess glue off. And then I like to go in and buff. There's like a little nub thing at the top, and I just like to buff that down. And I do the same thing for all 4 of the nails, but that's just my little tip. These nails stay on for a really good amount of time. I think the last set that I wore, which was super cute, I'm gonna post a picture of the last set that I did, but the last set I did lasted like 2 weeks, which is pretty good. It's a little bit better than the nails that you would get from like the beauty supply store, because those usually last like a full week and a half. So yeah, I really like these nails. They're really sturdy and really good quality. So, oh, and the set that I'm wearing right now is a strawberry milk, and it's like a really cute, a super cute like pink cow print tip. And I usually just wear like basic French tips, so this is right up my alley. I usually don't do nails quite this long. The other pair that I had was like an almond shape, and I really enjoyed those. But yeah, this one's super cute as well. And just one more. So as you can see, this application is really quick. It's taking me like less than 5 minutes to get these on, and it's just one more nail left. Pinky's on. And here's how the nails look. Super cute. So we got the nails and the lashes. I really recommend GLAMNETIC. Super high quality stuff. And also don't forget to use my code WAVY10 so you can get 10% off of your purchase. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.